just want to take a moment to check in with you. I know life feels heavy right now. You've been carrying so much, trying to figure out your career, pushing through the exhaustion of work, questioning if you're on the right path, and I know it's draining, it's frustrating, and it's lonely sometimes. Maybe you've been asking yourself, am I enough? Am I doing the right thing? Will I ever feel at peace? I want you to know you are not alone in this. I see you. I see how hard you're trying, even when no one else notices. I see the effort you put in, the late nights, the sacrifices, and I know it feels like no matter what you do, it's never enough. But let me tell you something. You are enough, not because of your job, not because of how much you accomplish, but because of who you are. Your worth isn't measured by your productivity. You are not just what you do. You are so much more than that. I know it's hard to trust when you can see the way forward, when every door seems to close and you're left wondering if God has forgotten about you. But hear me when I say this. He hasn't. He never has. He never will. Sometimes the waiting feels unbearable. Sometimes the struggle makes you question everything. But what if this season isn't a punishment? What if it's a preparation? What if right now God is shaping you for something greater? And what if He is asking you to trust Him even it doesn't make sense? You don't have to have it all figured out today. You don't have to pretend to be strong all the time. It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to say, God, I don't know what to do. Because in that surrender, in that honesty, that's where He meets you. And I promise you, He is working. Even when you can't see it, even when you feel lost, He is making a way. So don't give up. Keep going. Don't carry this alone. Let Him walk with you. Let Him remind you that your future is held in His hand and He is leading you somewhere good. And until that door opens, until that breakthrough comes, rest. Take care of yourself. Give yourself grace. You are not failing. You are growing. And I want you to say, I'm proud of you for showing up, for trying, for believing, even when it's hard. And I thank God for you, for your strength, for your heart, for the way you keep going, even when it feels impossible. You are not alone in this. You are deeply loved, and better days are coming. I'm praying for you, and I hope you remember you are exactly where you need to be. God's plan for you is still unfolding.